Hi, welcome to Sweet Sorcery. I'm Maggie and today we're making rock cakes. The link to the written recipe is in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. Then sift the flour into a bowl. Rub the butter into the flour using your fingers. Now this is where if you're making rock cake sugar free, you will substitute the 1/4 cup of sugar for 4 tablespoons of honey. It really doesn't matter whether you use honey or sugar, they both taste great. Add the sugar, ginger and sultanas. Then in a small dish, beat your egg lightly. Pour that into your milk and add it to your dry ingredients. Adding the egg to the milk first helps mix it in more evenly to the mixture. Using a wooden spoon, mix the dough until it all comes together. This is a thick dough, so you will need to work it in a bit. We want to line our oven slide with baking paper. Then spoon out rough heaps like this and place them a few centimeters apart. We want them to look rough and rustic so they come out looking more like rocks. Bake them off to 10 to 15 minutes until they're a lovely golden brown colour. Now that your rock cakes have come out of the oven, allow them to cool while you go and make yourself a cup of tea. Then you can either have them straight up or serve them with a bit of jam and cream. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.